12:38. We're currently on our way on a little like weekend getaway. Is that right? We're going away for our very belated anniversary. We booked to go to this hotel on our wedding anniversary, which was like 2 months ago now, or a month and a half ago. But with COVID and lockdown, we had to reschedule for this weekend, which kind of works out because it was my birthday the other day. So now I'm just pretending it's like my birthday getaway. But we're going down to Torquay, which is along the Great Ocean Road, or just before the Great Ocean Road. But yeah, I just thought I would intro the vlog. I'll try and get some clips when we're there. The weather is so poopy. It's pretty much going to be raining all weekend and really cold, considering we're going on a little beach vacation. But yeah, it's going to be fun nonetheless, and I cannot wait. So we made it to our hotel, and it turns out we kind of ordered 2 rooms. I don't really remember ordering 2 rooms, but I do remember that there was only like 1 available room booking left on the website. So I guess I just ordered a giant ass room because we've got like 5 beds, 2 bathrooms. So I thought I would quickly show you guys kind of what it looks like. So this is the entryway, and you just have like the little kitchenette kind of thing. Then we have a little dining table and a living room kind of area. So if you go to the right, it is another whole apartment. We've got a big shower in here, which we're very excited for because we don't have a proper shower at home. We have like a shower over bath sitch. Bathroom, little fridge again, and we've got a single bed and then a king bed and a little balcony kind of thing out here. Oh, there is a long mirror, yes. And then if you go through the middle section, we've got the other bathroom. So yeah, big ass mirror, a shower over bath situation. There's also like a little laundry thing here, which I will not be doing. And then the other room is just where we'll probably sleep for the night, or the next 2 nights. So it's just a normal room. And there's again like a little balcony. It goes like all the way across. And then if you open up the blinds, I hope no one's out there, the pool is just here, and there's like an outdoor heated spa. So super excited to use that tonight.
I'm very important in the solar system. Time and date affect how people experience me.
Moon.
I make people very happy.
Sun.
Yeah. Good job. Alright.
I am proud of my hometown, Bronx, New York City.
Beyonce.
I've been a maid and a wedding planner. My parents are from Puerto Rico. My first all-Spanish album broke sale records. My husband is also a singer. My former boyfriends include P. Diddy and Ben Affleck.
Yes. It is...
Who am I? My initials
No. J-Lo. my initials are J and Lo. You're very beautiful, Brett.
They're mine.
They're yours.
So we just finished up at dinner. I did want to vlog in there, but it was just kind of weird, like the whole COVID situation and the seating and everything. So we kind of just ate and left. But it was good. It was a good plan, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. It was good food.
It was delicious. But yeah, the weather has finally eased up a little bit. It stopped raining, so I just probably inserted a few clips, but it's really nice down here. And now we're just driving back home. It's literally 3 minutes. We could have walked, but I didn't want to get rained on. But yeah, we're just going back home now. Hopefully gonna have a few sneaky drinks, play a few games, and yeah, maybe hit the spa later tonight, if we get lucky, if there's no one in it. But yeah,
That's how we roll.
That's how we roll. But yeah, I literally only have like 10 minutes left of footage on this SD card, so I'm trying to be very particular about what I film. So I'm gonna stop rambling now. Bye. So it is now the next day and we just did a little bit of shopping this morning. We went to the outlets. If you guys have been to Torquay before, you'll know that they have like factory outlets, so kind of like cheaper items. There's like Rip Curl, Gander, I think there's like Billabong, like all the kind of surfy brands. And I was looking for a bikini. I didn't actually find one, but I did find these little bottoms. So I got some bottoms, no top. From Gander I got this little like muscle tee singlet thing with a little wave. I thought that was cute. And I also got this USA jumper from Gander as well, and I think it ended up being $29, and usually these are like $55. So I am very happy with this purchase and the quality is super good. I got a singlet from Rip Curl, which just looks like this, if you can see. It's kind of just like a bikini kind of cover up type shirt. And then my favorite purchase were these pair of shorts. I don't know about you guys, let me know below, but I find it so hard to find denim shorts that just like fit right. They're the right color, that are comfortable, the right length, and I am obsessed with these shorts. Like I just love how ripped they are. They're high-waisted, but they're also like a mum fit, so they're really comfortable. So I am super happy with this purchase, and they were $80 down to $50. So after we went shopping, we ended up getting lunch, which I will insert a clip of that, and it was delicious. Next time we come to Torquay, I'm definitely going back there. But now, with a full belly, we're gonna go swimming. Having fun by yourself? Whole pool to yourself. We're trying to get out. We're trying to go for a walk, and it keeps raining. It's rained all day, and I'm probably gonna get it. Oh, the memes. Every time we come to the Great Ocean Road, it's always raining, even though it's December 7th. And now we've got a few cheeky beverages, and we're gonna watch the sunset, although I'm pretty sure it's over there.
Yeah, it's behind us.
Well,
that's cool.
We'll turn around.
That did make the sound I wanted.
I will say though, we come to Torquay kind of every year for our anniversary, and Torquay by far has the best food, doesn't it? Like everything we ate today and yesterday, I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind, everything we ate today and yesterday, you're cute, is so good. Whereas I feel like in Lorne it's like, you could do better. So if you ever do come to Torquay, we went to the Black Man's Brewery, which was good for dinner. So good. Today we went to Four Pines.
Also good.
Also good. And
burgers.
last night we went to...
We got Palmer's in that place.
Oh, beachfront something something.
Food was good there.
The food was good. We had a Palmer. Hey guys, so I was just editing through the vlog and realized I never did an outro. My camera ran out of space, so I pretty much couldn't vlog anything for the rest of the trip, but I think I pretty much captured most things. But yeah, we had the best time and it was just so relaxing. It did kind of suck, it rained the whole time, but also it was kind of more relaxing that way because we just like stayed inside and we swam a lot and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it was a really nice trip. And as I said earlier in the vlog, if you ever go to Torquay, they have the best food. So let me know if you try any of the places that we went to. But yeah, if you enjoyed this vlog, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Please don't forget to hit subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!